Hi friends, welcome to Lace Academy's online sessions. In this video, I'll take you through a full module of reasoning from SSC CGL Tier 1 real previous paper that was conducted in March 2020. This was from SSC CGL Tier 1 of 2019 notification. So today, I'll take you through something called live mock test drill. It means I act as if I'm taking a real examination. I'll take you through each and every question slide by slide. Without any explanation, I'll take you through how to answer the question and what is the best answer for the question and go to the next question. I don't even waste 5 to 6 seconds of time to explain anything because here I am acting as an exam taker, not a person who is teaching you subject. So this actually tells you what is the speed with which you have to take your examination when you sit in your Tier 1. Let me tell you, Tier 1 examination of SSC CGL or preliminary examination of banking are called as racing exams. You will be given 60 minutes of time and you have to utilize as much as possible by going through each and every question fast. If any question you think of taking 30-40 seconds of time, better to skip the question at that moment of time because it may waste you time for other two questions. And SSC CGL is such an examination where there is no sectional timing. Even if I save 1 minute of time in reasoning or quant, I can use that to answer 3 to 4 questions in English or general awareness. Please always keep that in mind. That's why I said here, learn to score fast in a real examination. Now I am going to start my examination. I have taken one of the examination papers really that was given in March 2020, very recently. Now let's see question by question and understand how to answer the questions in the most or quickest possible manner, I have to say. Thank you. Let us see the questions now. So you can see here the question is given from syllogisms. Some animals are elephants, some elephants are tigers. So only two statements are given and the conclusions are both talking about animals and tigers, animals and tigers. So animals and elephants are meeting, elephants and tigers are meeting. So animals and tigers may meet or may not meet. This saying they have to meet, this is saying they may meet or may not, they should not meet. So my answer, possible best answer is either 1 or 2 because I am not guaranteed whether animals and tigers really meet or not. Now go to the next question. This is a question which we call as embedded figure question. He is asking this figure is embedded in which of the following figures. You can observe here, yes, here. In this part you have that. So this is your option. Go to the next question. Which of the figure exact mirror image? Mirror image of this should be reversing it left to right. So these two cannot be the answers because X is here. Out of these two, any one can. So this is the only difference between these two. And K cannot be as it is. So this is also not your answer. So your answer possible is only this one. Go to the next question. Arrange the words in order of English dictionary. Okay. So all are starting with RAG. So after that, the best one is H. So H, and everything starting with H is starting with T. Out of them, the first one should be starting with E. So this should be the first one. And after E, L should come. Yes. So this should be the second one. So 3, 1 should be there. And then this comes 3, 1, 5. And after T, RAGH, I have to say RAGA will come. So this should come. So 3, 1, 5, 2. This is the only place where 3, 1, 5, 2 is present. So go to the next question. In the following equations, if plus is interchanged with minus and 6 is interchanged with 7, which of the equations would be correct? So let us verify. 7 and 6 interchange, minus and plus is interchanged. So this is what the equation will become. 67, 76 plus 67, 143 minus 43, 100. Perfectly said. So luckily first equation itself got answer and we'll go to the next question. Select the option in which the words share the same relation. Analogy. So clock measures time. Balance scale, tachyometer wind, anemometer strains, ammeter measures current. So this is your answer. Go to the next question. We got a number grid here. Because this row has a bigger number, this should be the resultant. 6 and 8. 8, 5 is 40. 5 is nothing but 6 minus 1. Same way 25, 20 is 500. 20 is 21 minus 1. So 14 minus 1, 13 into 7 is your answer, which is 91. Go to the next question. Venn diagram is given. Triangle is executive, circle is females, rectangle is MBAs, square is technical staff. How many female executives? Female circle, executives triangle. circle and triangle are meeting in this place. So 5 members are there. Go to the next question. 4 words are given, odd man out. Ferry, yacht and ship all float on water. Submarine goes under water. Ages question is given. Ratio of present ages Asha and Lata is 5:6. Difference between the ages is 6 years. What is Lata's age after 5 years? Okay. The difference, one part here is given 6 years. So if one part of the ratio is 6, 6 parts of the ratio should be 36. So Lata is 36 now. After 5 years, she will be 41. Go to the next question. Number analogy is given. Let us see what's the relation here. There is 9 difference here. There is 18 difference here. We have to see whether that logic works out or not. 9 difference, 10 difference. 9 difference, 12 difference. 9 difference is not at all there. 9 difference, 18 difference. Luckily, this 9 and 18 difference is working out in one of the options. If that doesn't work out, again you have to verify one more logic here and then test for the logic. So in this question, the fourth option is working out. Figure series. We have a square, we have a circle, we have a plus. Now let's see what plus is doing. Plus is going to right side from bottom, again going to top. Now plus has to come here. And your good luck is very high that this is there only in one option. Right. No other option has plus in that place. So that is your answer. Go to the next question. Analogy, 12 and 72 relation, 18 and this number relation, 22 and this number relation should be same. We know 12 sixes 72, but 22 sixes is not 242. Any other relation. 12 square is 144, 144 half is 72. 22 square is 484, 484 half is 244, 242 exactly. So 18 square is 324, 324 half is your answer. Go to the next question. This is a number series where you have to verify by filling it. So put K here, L here, K here, L here, M here. So KKLMM, LLMKK, MMKLL, KKLMM exactly going perfectly coming as a sequence. 2 Ks, 2 Ms, 2 Ls, 2 Ks, 2 Ms, 2 Ls, again 2 Ks, 2 Ms with other thing as single letter. Very good. Luckily again, first option itself worked out. Otherwise you have to verify the second option, third option. Let us see. Coding and decoding is given. 7 letters are there here. 7 numbers are there here. H is 8, A is 1, R is 18, S. For 8, 10 is given here. For 1, 3 is given here. For 18, 20 is given. So everything is plus 2 written in reverse. So R plus 2 is 20. E plus 2 is 7. M plus 2 is 15. Luckily, you have this in only one option. So that should be your answer. Go to the next question. Counting figures question. This takes at least 20 seconds of time for me. So I'll come back to this question once I have time. I'm skipping to the next question. Paper folding. If you unfold this top, then a facing to top triangle with a circle will come like this. Then this has to be unfolded left side and right side. So same figure should come 3 rows. Perfectly 3 columns, same thing. This is wrong because all the triangles are facing down. This cannot be the answer. And these two can never be the answer because only 2 rows are given, 2 columns are given. Go to the next question. Which 2 numbers should be interchanged? Again, a verification of options, 7 and 4. Let's say here 4 is there, here 7 is there. Let's verify. 18 by 2, 9. 9 minus 9 cancelled. 4 5s, 20. 45 by 5 is 9. Minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. 3 7s, 21 minus 1, 20. Exactly verified. Again, our luck came in to help here because first option itself got verified. Otherwise, we would have required to verify 2 more options. Let's see the next one. Amit is the brother of Sonia. Okay, Amit and Sonia are siblings. Anything about Sonia? Sonia is the daughter of Satish's father. That means Sonia and Satish are also brothers and sisters. Anything about Sonia and Satish or Amit? Jyoti is the mother of Amit. So for these people, Jyoti is the mother. Anything about Jyoti? Jyoti is the sister of Nikita. Okay. Anything about Nikita? Nikita is the daughter of Kavinder. So these 2 people should be Kavinder. Mukesh is Nikita's only sister husband. That means Jyoti's husband is Mukesh. How is Satish related to Kavinder? To Kavinder, Satish is 2 generations below. 2 generations below boy can be called as grandson. Go to the next question. Medicine eliminates disease. Food eliminates what? Hunger. Best answer. Next question. Coding, decoding. W is written as Y. Okay, plus 2 is there. A is written as X. If I take A as 27, X is minus 3, 24. RV is plus 4. Yeah, you got your logic. Minus 2 plus 3 minus 4. So minus 2 of A plus 2 of A, C, minus 3 of C, Z, plus 4 of C, G. So luckily we have only one option with CZG. So go to the next question. Letter series is given. Let's see what is the logic here. 3, 8, 13, 18. We can see plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. So 23 should be the first letter. So starting with W, these are the two options possible. Luckily, second letter is same in both the options. Verify the last letter directly. 2, 9, 16, 23. Plus 7, plus 7. So 30 should come. 30 means 4. So WLD should be the answer. Next question. Select the odd letters, odd man notes. Let's see. 6, 22, 11, 15, 14, 13, 19, 8, 2, 25, 7, 20, 4, 23, 9, 18. Yeah. 14, 13 is 27, 19, 8 is 27. 2, 25, 27, 20. There is a very important significance for 27. But here this is not 27, this is not 27. So the first one itself is odd man out. Cubes and dice question is given. Luckily, you are given with one face as it is. And you can see 3 is coming down here. That means the 1 should have gone down here. Now, what is the question asked? Face opposite to 1 showing 6. So, opposite to 6 should be 1. So, 1 should be your answer. Go to the next question. Number series. All the numbers are increasing and very nearby. Try addition. 4, 9, 16, 25. Exact logic. Squares. So 71 plus 36 is your answer, and go to the next question. So this is how we have to go for answering the questions of SSC CGL. I skipped one question, but in that one question's time, I could answer at least 3 to 4 questions, and I simply now jump into another section like English or Quant or General Awareness. First, I'll go through all the sections, and once I completely answer all the questions which are so easily answerable like this, I would have got at least 65 or something. Then in the last 10 minutes or 15 minutes of time, or at least 10 minutes time, you have to see what are the second best options of questions to be taken, because getting the answers is not important. Getting them in time is important. These questions which we answered now will be answered by everybody sitting in the exam along with you. So it is important for you that you have to get the answers in time. You have to get the answers in time. Not that you are getting the answers, you can think that, yes, I got my answer, I am ready to crack the examination. So like that, cutoffs cannot be reached. So whenever a person wants to actually crack the cutoff, definitely what you have to do is, you have to go for seeing how to go for answering the questions in time and getting as many questions as possible, so that you cross the cutoff that is given in the examinations, right? So hope that you actually have seen how to answer the questions. Nearly 24 questions we answered in 20, I think less than 15 minutes, maybe 12 to 13 minutes, I think. Once I see this video, I can see how much duration we have taken, and this is how you have to run. In the next video, I'll try to take up one real paper of bank exams prelims also, and show you how to use those 20 minutes of time given for each section of banking prelims, as well as I'll be taking one SSC CGL real quant module and see how to answer the best possible 23-24 questions in less than 15-16 minutes of time in quant as well as English, right? Thank you. All the best, and prepare well for your examinations.